Hey everybody, today is December 4th, which means this is the fourth video in the series of 25 Days of Christmas. And I have these little wooden blocks and these little round pegs. These are actually the Tumbling Towers pieces that you can get from Dollar Tree, and these I picked up from Harbor Freight. They're actually the pegs when you make wooden pieces. You use these to like connect the wood together. They would go in there, and then you would put this piece in it and then together. Of course you'd have wood glue, but that's technically what these are for, and that's not what I'm going to use them for. My plan today is to paint these and try to paint them kind of cute and turn them into a pair of earrings. Okay, away I go. Alright, I painted them a base white, and then I'm going to take this. It is Elmer's glitter glue red, and the next step is to put some lines . Okay, and this is what I'm going to do to these because I kind of want them to look like candy canes. So I'm just going to put a stripe of glitter glue all around the edge, and y'all don't have to watch me do all that. So I'll be back. Okay, on these I wanted to just put some glitter glue. I wanted to kind of make them look like boxes, but I don't really have any way of doing that. So I'm just going to take the glitter glue and smear it all around the whole piece. Of course, it will get on the top, the back, the sides, the bottoms. And that is all I'm going to do to these, is just put the glitter glue all around all of it. And I'm going to get that done, and I'm going to let these dry, and then I'll be back. Well, they are dry, and I just do not like how they look. I'm not happy with that at all. I couldn't get my lines completely straight, and they definitely weren't uniform, and I'm not happy with these. And on top of that, I could not get the eye screw in it, and neither could my husband. And I also actually tried to do the hand drill. Maybe if I did a Dremel, I don't know. I didn't want to drill too far into it because that will cause even my smallest drill bit, I think, is pretty much the same size as this eye screw, and that technically won't work. I would end up having to put, well, I've got wood glue I could use, but I don't trust that for, something that's going to be worn. So I didn't want to have to make the hole bigger than the eye screw. So these are pretty much more or less a bust. I'm quite disappointed with those. However, these are dry and I like how they look, and I did get an eye screw in them because they seem to be softer wood than whatever this is made out of. I don't remember what this is made out of, but it could have been oak. I don't remember. But this is definitely softer wood, and I went ahead, I've already got my eye screw in, and I went ahead and attached a jump ring so I can go ahead and put the earrings together. I will be using the stainless steel ones that I got from Temu. So I've got the hooks out, and these are the ones that I'm going to use, and they definitely match this color. I'm going to go ahead and try to get these. Sorry, interrupted once again. Of course. I'm going to try to get these open without breaking them, because I have a habit of breaking these things. I think that's open enough. Okay. Dang it. Those little things get on my nerves. They get on in my way. They get in the way when you're trying to actually put earrings together. And they have those little decorative pieces. I don't necessarily like how that closed either. Well, that's better. It's still not perfect, but it's better than it was. See if I can actually get this one to close without issues. Can't even get a good hold on it. That's pretty good. And this is what these look like. I like them. I still would have liked to have been able to maybe put some ribbon here and across here and a little teeny tiny bow, but that would have meant I needed a little teeny tiny itsy bitsy bow, and I don't have any, and I do not have any ribbon small enough to put on these to make them look like a box. But I think that would have been really cute. However, my granddaughter will end up with these, and she's going to like them just because they're sparkly and they look Christmassy to her. I'm probably not finished with these. I may end up actually taking a drill and drilling out the top hole all the way through to the bottom, and then I may end up going ahead and putting the glitter on them like these. I really don't know yet. I may find something to do with them because I hate wasting anything, and if I put more glitter on them, make them really sparkly top and bottom, and they will end up being covered like this, but they will actually be full coverage like that. It will be a completely glittery, sparkly piece. I think that I will like that better than trying to do the stripes on it anyway. I started to paint these, but I wanted them sparkly. I may still end up trying to paint some to look like actual candy canes, because I think that would be a really cute idea, because they're raised up, and if I did a stripe here, went over 2 raised spots, a stripe here, another 2 over, and then another stripe, I think that would be cute. So I have not given up on making some candy cane earrings out of these. Thumbs up if you liked how I made these earrings. Remember, these are the Tumbling Tower blocks that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. They were painted, and then all I did was I added the Elmer's glitter glue in red to them. It's simple, easy, and kind of a quick project. It's just the drying time and then putting everything together, but they turned out cute. Oh, and it would probably be a good idea to seal these. I think that the way I have them covered with the glitter glue, I think they're already sealed, but just to be sure, I would go ahead and seal them with something else if you want them to last for a while. I know my granddaughter is going to end up losing these anyway, so I am not going to bother with actually taking out my sealer and putting that on them, because it would just be a waste of sealer in the end. However, if you want yours to last longer, then you might want to go ahead and put some kind of sealer, clear coat, or even Mod Podge, glossy, something. Okay, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so very much for your patience and your time, and thanks for giving me a watch. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate if you would actually hit that subscribe button today. If you think somebody else might actually like watching my content, then please by all means share it out to others. It helps me to get out to others with your help. And please leave me a comment below, even if it is only just an emoji. I would like for you to leave me either a candy cane emoji or a box emoji to let me know you made it to the end. Thank you all so very much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a beautiful evening. I will catch you on the next video. Bye.